take you to the southern state of Karnataka because Bangalore rural will witness an intense battle. One between DK Shivkumar's brother and son-in-law of veteran leader Deve Gowda. Suresh spoke to India Today expressing confidence of a big victory. So this is going to be one of the highlight constituencies. Here's a ground report for you.
In the outskirts of Bengaluru lies a seat that will see an intense battle. It's DK Suresh versus CN Manjunath in Bangalore rural. That's right. The brother of Congress heavyweight DK Shivkumar and the son-in-law veteran Neta Deve Gowda are squaring off in this seat. DK Suresh, the incumbent MP from Bangalore rural, filed his nomination on Thursday, with all the Karnataka Congress bigwigs attending a mega event. Starting off with a temple visit, taking his brother's blessings. DK Suresh also took part in a mega show of strength in his constituency, accompanied not just by brother Shivakumar, but also CM Siddaramaiah.
DK Suresh ಅವರು ಕಳೆದ 3 ಬಾರಿ ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಪಂಚಾಯಿತಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರಂತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸುಖಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸತಕ್ಕಂತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ವೈಟ್ ಕಾಲರ್ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಂತ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದು ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ.
India Today also spoke to DK Suresh, who expressed confidence that he will win yet again.
In 2013, I contested in by-election. Kumar Swamy was the earlier MP here. He is a two-term MP. And Deve Gowda, Honorable Prime Minister, is also MP from this constituency only. They have not come to a conclusion who is the better MP. This time they have decided whatever I have done, work from past 10.5 years, every house and every people of Ramnagar district and Bangalore rural district, people are remembering him, remember me, they are supporting me.
And taking on DK Suresh is Dr. CN Manjunath, a doctor who is now switched over to politics. The former director of the state-run Jayadeva Institute has been fielded by the BJP as part of an alliance arrangement with JDS.
I was not at all interested in getting into the electoral politics, number one. Number two, in this state, BJP and JDS is in alliance. So it is the decision taken by the high command of both the parties. See, regarding the constituency, regarding the party on which I have to contest, they have taken the decision. So it is nothing, I am not a chooser.
The tussle between DK Shivkumar's brother and Deve Gowda's son-in-law is going to be one of the most tantalizing contests in Karnataka. With Anaga Keshav in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.